Hello. Okay, so to create product, I have already sent you a video how to create a product. Okay, this is an official video from a Shopify help center, and how to add collection. So you have to go to collection. Okay, click on create collection. The form will be appear. So you have to type the collection name, like you are creating collection for watches for men, so you have to do men watches. Okay, and also make sure in this section the collection type condition, type the same name you added in the title, but make them in lowercase and replace space with hyphen. Okay, like for men watches it will be men watches. Okay, this is for when you want to include any product in this collection, you will use this one. Okay, so this will be the key for when you want to show any product in men watches. So also I am copying it so I can use it in a product. So let's save it. Okay, so new collection has been saved. And how to show this collection in the menu? So go to the online store and click on navigation. Okay, it's just loading. Okay, so we are using this header menu. Okay, the menu that is appearing on our website at the top, that is the header menu we are using. Most commonly the main menu is which shows on the top, but we are not using this. We designed our own menu and we call it the header menu. So we have to click on it because we are trying to do changes in this. Okay, so first of all we have to decide where we want to add a new menu. Do you want in the main or in the sub menu? So as these are the watches, so I will suggest to add in the men accessories. So I will add watches. This is the name of the menu. This is what you can write anything here what you want to show in the menu, but on click that menu what page should be open, so we have to link that. So what I want to do, I want to open the men watches collection, men watches category. Okay, so I will search that, and this is the men watches collection. Okay, I will select that. So whenever someone clicks the men watches, it will Shopify will open the collection page, the category page of men watches for it, but it will be appear as watches in the menu, but actually it will be the men watches. Why I wrote the men watches for the collection? So that when I will try to link, I will try it easy to link it. So if I don't write men with the watches, so and I make collection for men, women, little saint for three, then it will be confusing for me which watches is going to be attached to this. So as these are the men watches, so I create a separate collection for men watches. Okay, so that I can link it to it. So whenever someone click on men watches under men, so only watches for men should be shown. So I will click on add. So you see a new menu is added here. I will click on save. If you will not click it and refresh the page, everything will be discarded. So make sure click on save when you add any other menu in this. Okay, so now we will open the website to see if the menu is added in our navigation or not. So we added in the men, and you see you are able to see the menu watches under men accessories. Okay, and when I will open it, you see it open the collection men watches. Okay, So now the last step is how to assign the product to this man watches. So if you remember, I added a condition below the title of the collection, and to lowercase the title and replaces the space with the hyphen. If you remember, I will show you again. I have to use that in every product which I want to show in that. So this was the collection watches. So this is men watches. You can see this is the men watches which I have to include in all the products I want to show in that menu. So let's add it to any product on an accessory. So let's add to this the card holder. Okay, I know this product is not the watch, but as we don't have any watches in our system, so I am just trying to show you how it will be appear in our menu. So what I have to do I have to add that as a tag in the product and press enter. So you see this tag has been assigned to this product. Click on save, and now go to men watches page, hard refresh. If it's not found, then wait for 1 or 2 minutes because it takes little time to get update. So let's see now. So you see this product has been shown in our men watches. So what is the key? The condition in all of the collection, you have to copy that in already added collections, and if you are creating another collection, another category, then put the title in lowercase and replace the spaces with hyphen, and then use that as a tag in a product and then save it. Then you will see that product in that specific category. That's all. If you have any question,